Welcome back to Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you the most detailed, real-world reviews to help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we're looking at the Miele Boost CX1 Cat and Dog, a bagless canister vacuum cleaner that combines power, versatility, and efficiency, designed specifically for pet owners, but ready to tackle any household cleaning challenge. This vacuum is designed to meet the needs of homes with pets, so let's start by talking about the performance. The Boost CX1 uses Miele's vortex technology, which optimizes airflow and helps capture even the finest dust and coarse soil. This isn't just a marketing buzzword. Vortex technology improves suction power by creating a high-speed airflow that enhances cleaning efficiency. The result is impressive suction on all surfaces, from carpets to hard floors, ensuring dirt and debris are picked up in a single pass. The universal floor head is great for handling various floor types, whether you're cleaning rugs, hard floors, or even delicate parquet. Now let's talk about agility. This canister vacuum stands out thanks to its track drive system, which keeps the vacuum on track and helps it glide effortlessly across floors. The wheels on the side provide stability, making it easy to maneuver around furniture, and it ensures the vacuum doesn't tip over when you're cleaning in tight corners or along the edges of walls. The design of this vacuum, while compact, doesn't sacrifice any cleaning power for its smaller size, which is a key advantage for those who need something lightweight but effective. The multi-stage filtration system is another highlight. Equipped with a HEPA AirClean filter, this vacuum traps even the tiniest particles, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. It captures dust, pollen, and other fine particles, preventing them from re-entering the air and offering a cleaner, more hygienic environment for your home. This feature is a standout, especially for those with pets, where dander and hair can be major concerns. With this filter, you get the added benefit of not just cleaning your floors, but also improving the air quality in your home. The TurboBrush included with the Boost CX1 is designed specifically for tackling pet hair. Whether it's on your carpets, upholstery, or even your car seats, the TurboBrush's motorized bristles dig deep to lift stubborn pet hair and debris. It's an essential attachment for any pet owner who knows how challenging it can be to remove hair from furniture or tricky spots. In addition, the vacuum comes with 3 standard attachments to clean a variety of surfaces, great for everything from hard floors to delicate upholstery. The Boost CX1 is corded, which means you don't need to worry about battery life. While some cordless vacuums offer the convenience of portability, corded models like the CX1 ensure you get consistent suction throughout the entire cleaning session. With a long cord, you'll have the reach you need to clean large rooms or stairs without constantly having to plug and unplug. However, this does mean it's a little less flexible than a cordless vacuum. So if you're looking for something that's ultra portable or great for quick cleanups, you may want to consider alternatives. Still, the consistent power it provides over long cleaning sessions is a huge advantage. When it comes to ergonomics, the Miele Boost CX1 is designed for comfort. The height adjustment feature on the Comfort telescopic wand makes it easy to find the right position for cleaning, reducing strain on your back and shoulders. It's lightweight, and thanks to its compact design, it's easy to carry up and down stairs or store in a closet without taking up too much space. It's a small but powerful vacuum that combines convenience with effective cleaning. As for noise levels, the Boost CX1 is relatively quiet compared to other vacuums in its class. While it's not completely silent, the noise is consistent and not overly intrusive, so you won't feel like you're disrupting the whole house when you clean. In terms of the bin, the Boost CX1 features a bagless design, so you won't have to worry about replacing bags. The bin is easy to empty, and it holds a decent amount of debris before needing to be emptied. It's perfect for regular cleaning without the hassle of constant maintenance, and the dust container is designed to be simple to clean and maintain. Now let's talk about the potential downsides. For some, the corded design might be a deal breaker. Cord-free vacuums offer more flexibility and convenience, but the Boost CX1 makes up for this with its strong suction and consistent power. The price point of the Boost CX1 might also be a concern for some. While you're getting a lot of features for the money, There are other vacuums on the market that may be priced more competitively, especially for homes that don't have pets or don't require HEPA filtration. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum definitely offers a lot for its price. The vortex technology, HEPA filter, and TurboBrush for pet hair make it a great option for homes with pets or those who suffer from allergies. The build quality is solid, with durable materials that feel robust and long-lasting. However, the price tag might be on the higher side if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, or if you don't need the specialized features for pet hair and allergy control. In comparison to other vacuums in the same range, the Boost CX1 stacks up well, but there are a few alternatives worth considering. The Dyson Ball Animal 2, for example, also offers excellent suction power and is great for pet owners, but it's a bit more expensive and bulkier. The Shark Navigator Liftaway is another competitor, known for its versatility and slightly lower price point, but it doesn't have the HEPA filtration or the specialized TurboBrush for pet hair that the Miele offers. If you're looking for something that's both powerful and compact, this vacuum could be the better choice, especially for smaller homes or apartments. As for build quality, the Miele Boost CX1 is built to last. The construction feels solid, and the various parts fit together snugly without any loose joints or flimsy components. Miele is a reputable brand when it comes to vacuums, and this model upholds that legacy. The filter and brush roll are easy to maintain, though you'll need to clean them regularly to ensure peak performance, especially with long hair and pet fur. In terms of customer support, Miele is known for offering reliable service, with responsive support teams available to help with any issues or concerns. Given the brand's solid reputation, it's safe to expect that you'll be well supported if anything goes wrong. However, as with any product, it's always good to check warranty details and make sure you're clear on what's covered. So, is the Miele Boost CX1 cat and dog worth it? If you're a pet owner or someone who suffers from allergies, it's hard to beat. The suction power, versatility, and specialized attachments make it a strong contender for homes where pet hair is a persistent issue. Its compact design, ease of use, and HEPA filtration system make it a top pick for those looking for a reliable, taste-proof, no-fuss vacuum. However, if you're on a budget or don't need all the extra features, there are definitely more affordable alternatives on the market. Still, for what it offers, the Boost CX1 provides excellent value for the price. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this vacuum, leave a comment below. The link to check it out is in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Goodbye till next time, and remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore with the right tools.